Morning, my name is Ray with Team S.t.e.a.m. Here this morning I'm at Flash Industrial Painting, and I got this 91 Ford in here, this F-250 that I'm working on. I got all the body work done on it yesterday, and I got it in primer. Today, the goal is going to be to sand some, if not all, the primer. It doesn't all need to be done today, but certain amounts of it does need to be done, like the roof, and the tailgate, and the back of the truck, and the hood, because I'm planning on running 2 stripes down the whole thing. So those do need to be sanded and finished today, so I can get the red on them today, so that can be ready for me tomorrow, so I can begin striping this truck. Now I've got the beige primer on, the roof, the bed, the hood. Good morning. All right, we got the red on here yesterday. It's good and cured out now. I'm gonna start taking some measurements and figuring out what I want to do for stripes on this one. Now all the masking's done. All I have left to do today is get this fuel pump changed. This truck has 2 fuel tanks, one at the back, one at the front. And when I got the truck, the one at the back didn't work. and the one at the front went out in fairly short order. And I didn't have anybody here to help me, so all I did was unbolted the box, raised the box up, propped it up, and held it up with some props while I got under there and changed that. But I left the back one because it was only gonna be a water truck. Who cares? I'll just keep filling the front one. But now that I'm trying to sell the truck, I want everything to work. So we've got the bed off. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the fuel pump in this back tank here, and we'll see how long that takes me today. We got this fuel pump changed out now with the new one, and I've fired up the truck and switched them back and forth. It does work and works well. So now I can go ahead and put this fifth wheel back down in place and put everything back where it goes and tighten everything back down and get on to the next step. So I'm finally ready to prime. Here's what we've done with the tailgate. Here's what we've done with the box. And here's what we've done with the truck. I'm going to be priming the entire chassis, the entire truck, inside of the box, inside out, everywhere. That's the first thing I'm going to do here, starting right now. I'm ready to put some black primer on this. I'm going to go ahead and run a tack rag over it, get all the dust, the remaining dust off of it, and then I'm going to load up some black primer. I'm going to prime the cab, the box, the inside of the box, the chassis, everything, all those components down there, the differentials, everything. Feel like riding along for that? All right, let's do it. And so that was the first coat of primer. I'll do the second coat, and then I'll have you guys ride along for the first of the two coats of black. I don't do the second coats on film because you can't even tell where I'm spraying at. It just looks like, it looks redundant. It looks like I'm spraying, you know, clear on it or something. So I'll bring you along for this first coat of black, and then that'll be all we can do in the shop for today. So we got the black on it, and that's all I can do for the day, and we're just gonna go ahead and let that sit overnight and put her together tomorrow. Catch you guys later.